Hi, I'm Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 6D. I study in Bishop Shastanagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I'm going to tell you about IT in 2050. And here I go. So firstly, we should know the technology predictions for our world in 2050. Nanobots can plug your brains. Reincarnation through AI. Space tourism. Half of the present day jobs will exist in 2050. Ocean thermal energy. AI all the way. So firstly, we should start with nanobots can plug your brains. Tech future. Tech of the future. Nanobots. We believe that by 2050, nanobots will plug your brains straight into Cloud 3. It will give us full immersion virtual reality from within the nervous system. Reincarnation to AI. If I cough in between, please excuse me as I have a bad throat. Reincarnation through AI sounds scary, I know, and probably most of the religious people will be very against it. However, Kurzil says that we will be able to bring back our relatives through artificial intelligence. Space tourism, according to Business Insider, space tourism could be feasible in 2050, by likely only for the very wealthy. Rocket companies like Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin and Elon Musk's SpaceX will push the envelope with space travel enough that tourism will be feasible in the year 2050. Half of the present day jobs will not exist in 2050. The world is changing faster than we think, and the way we learn things and what we learn should be changed. Employers should create an engaging learning culture at working, empowering their staff to take ownership of the professional development. Ocean thermal energy is a largely untapped resource and one of the world's largest renewable energy sources. For example, right now Blue Rise is working on creating an energy breakthrough by generating utility scale electricity through ocean thermal energy conversion. It will be able to outcompete fossil fuel based generation and other renewable that require storage of grid and balancing. AI all the way. Artificial intelligence has already started revolutionizing the IT sector, but by 2050, one would see it everywhere. Driverless cars, robots in operation theaters, Alexa in every house. AI will be part of the life. For 2050, we need to think ahead while choosing our courses so that succeed or will keep on hunting for jobs. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.